2012 Yamaha RS Venture EPS. It's got power steering. It's a 1049cc 3-cylinder 4-stroke, fuel injected, 2-up, 144 with an 1 3/4 track on it. Hitch on the back, dual exhaust, a little trunk on the back, an adjustable back rest there, rear hand warmers, of course front hand and thumb warmers. It's got 957 miles, basically as brand new. Hard to find any kind of mark on it at all, actually. Been my wife's sled for quite a while now. Very nice, clean machine. As close to new as you'll find, I think. Of course, that amazing Yamaha sound.